Hi you guys, it's me Monica. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? If you are new, welcome to my channel. If you like content like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button, click that bell for notifications, and go ahead and thumbs up this video, okay? And if you are not new to my channel, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. Today, as you can tell by the title, it's another KrissyAnne Designs haul. Hey, hey, hey. You guys, I kind of went ham a little bit. Excuse me, I had 2 orders in one day. So it was actually a belated birthday present from my daughter. Thank you, Olivia. She knows how much I love stickers. So this is a belated birthday gift from her. And I got several of her notebooks, and then I did get some stickers. So I'm going to share 2 of the notebooks without the stickers in them, and then the two that are without. So first of all, I got this freebie, and this is the July mini sampler. And I love this sampler. It says I'd rather be crafting, a quarter box, full box with the craft cart, a craft cart. I love that. Not today, a planner. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, a date stamp. And then an asterisk. That is too cute. I love it. So this is the July mini sampler freebie. I love that. That is gorgeous. So let's see. I got this particular notebook, and of course all of her notebooks, all of her binders are Russell and Hazel. They are of good quality. I love them. They are so cute, and I was able to personalize this with my name. I love the colors on it. It is so super, super gorgeous. It is super gorgeous. And then I got this, what do you call it? It's binder flap. So your pages will not curl in your binder. And this one just says, enjoy the little things with books and glasses. This is cute. I love it. Of course, it has the gold hardware. And then this is the back of the binder, just plain. So that's the first binder that I got. I'm trying to find the one without the stickers. Oh, I put them in there. Duh, Monica. This was a part, this binder I got on a $2 Tuesday. I ordered these stickers on a $2 Tuesday. But the design of the stickers were part of the $2 Tuesday. And then, of course, she offered the notebook. I had to have this notebook. It was tie-dye. It was pastel. I was able to personalize it with my name. I love it. This is super duper cute. I love this binder, you guys. It is so cute. So cute. So inside are the $2 Tuesday bundle that I got. If you get the bundle, it's like $10, or you can order them individually for $2 a piece. So I got, this is KAD 2D TFK, page 1, with all of these check boxes. And then this one with all of the full boxes that you can definitely write in. And then you have the washi with the date covers and some icons with the date dots. This is cute. Then you have all these quarter boxes, habit trackers. I love it. And then you have all these quarter boxes, appointment labels, scripts, quote boxes. These are cute. And then I got this binder flap that says good vibes only. Yes, good vibes only. So I like this. This is super duper cute. I actually love this. This is gorgeous. I love it. So that's my second binder with the $2 Tuesday stickers. So this next binder, I saw Julie of Julie Plans haul this on her channel, and I fell in love with it. I saw it on the site and I was like, eh. But then when she showed it on her channel, I was like, oh, I love it. Wait, I need that in my life. I learned how to type on a typewriter in high school, you know, so I'm going back to my roots. Telling my age, yes I know. I did not learn how to type on a computer. I learned how to type on a typewriter. I learned ASDF, JKL semicolon on a typewriter. Shout out to Miss Prairie Rogers. She would be so proud. But anyway, I got this particular binder. I thought it was beautiful. It is cute. I want the actual accessories to go with it. So be on the lookout for that really, really soon. I love this. This is cute. And then I ended up, when you get the binder is $16, and for $10 more you get the 2 sampler sheets. So that's what I did, and I'm sure you guys have seen this before. These are just the standard sampler sheets that come in with her binders. I love this saying, life is a series of crooked stickers. This is me all day. I am a crooked sticker all day long. So the first set of stickers that I got is the script stickers with Weekend, and this is in collaboration with Cindy Gunter Baldo. Gosh, I pray to God I am not butchering her name. If I am so sorry. So sorry. And this is sheet KADO 1869. And then I got some weather stickers. And these are cloudy. These are the small cloudy stickers. The small sunshine stickers, and I'll be using these in my daily duo. And then the small rain stickers. Don't ask me why I got these. I live in Alabama and it snows maybe once every 3 years. But I got some snow stickers. Again, don't ask me why I got them. And then I got some more Weekend banners. You know I like Weekend banners. I love them colorful, so cute. And then I got the page lifter with the You're Just My Type on here. So that is my 3rd binder. If I can get it to close. I'm trying to do all this with one hand. Don't ask me why, but I'm trying. And then the last one is, ooh, I love this binder. I am a sucker for you. It is so cute because it has all the greens, and I love green. Green is one of my favorite colors. Green is actually my favorite color, and blue is my next favorite color. Green is my favorite color because it is my birthstone. I was born in May. My birthstone is emerald, so yeah, therefore green is my favorite color. But this is the I Am Sucker for You. Love this. This is cute. And then along with this one, I did get the sampler pages into it. And then I got these scripts. And this is KADO 6887. I'll try to leave a link to all of these items below. It's gonna be a long list, so just look through it. But these are like just coffee date, treat yourself, happy hour, dinner date, lunch date. These are cute. I got these in colorful, bold colorful, and grayscale or black and white. And then I got film edit upload in bold, and then film edit upload in grayscale, which black and white. Then I got Taco Tuesday. I love the steez with Taco Tuesday. I showed this to my husband. He's like, yes, I love that. Needless to say, on Taco Tuesday, we've been using a steez. How about that? But I got these. I got 2 sheets of these. So I thought these were super cute. And then I got a couple of Daily Duo kits. So I got this one. I love the colors on this one. Actually, I got 2 sheets of these. So these are cute. I love those. I love it. It's so cute. I got 2 of those. Then I got this plaid one. I love this plaid one. It is so cute. I love the colors in it. And then I think you guys seen this in my last haul, but I did get 2 more of these because I love the color scheme in this. This is gorgeous. I love it. So I did get 2 sheets of these, and then this, I think this is the Go Wild theme. Yeah, this is the Go Wild theme. So I got a Daily Duo kit for the Go Wild theme. I thought that was cute. I love the colors in it. Very cute. And then I got the Daily Duo, and this one, I don't know which one this is. I'll have to look it up and find out. But I love, this reminds me, if you I'm gonna tell my age here. If you remember the old school stereos that had, the louder it got, the lines went up to indicate how loud it was or how hard the bass was hitting. That's why I got that. But I think right here it says wow. So I'm thinking this is part of the Go Wow theme, probably from a couple of years ago before I was part of the sticker planner community. So I like this one because, like I said, it reminds me of those particular lines on a stereo. And then I got this one. Cute. I love the theme, the little windows. It's cute. So be on the lookout for all of these daily duo kits and some spreads, okay? And then I got film edit upload. I love these scripts, so I got two sheets of the film edit upload like this, just print. And then I got this page lifter. I know it's a little out there, but I like it because I am fabulous as you know what. So yeah, you guys, that is it for my KrissyAnne designs haul. I am absolutely in love with it. So I'll be adding these to my collection. I'm gonna do a sticker organization video really soon, you guys. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah, you guys, if you enjoy my content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. I love it. Go ahead and share it with all of your friends who will love KrissyAnne designs and who just love planning and stickers in general, you guys. So I am done with this particular video, and in the meantime, in between time, be safe, be blessed, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.